Every smart program needs to make decisions, and Boolean logic is how your code gets its brain. It's all about asking yes or no questions and getting true or false answers. Comparison operators are your questioning tools. The equality operator asks if things are equal, inequality 1 checks if things are different, while these other operators handle all these size comparisons. Each one gives you back a simple true or false. But the real magic happens when you combine conditions with logical operators. Use two ands when both things must be true, or two pipes when either one works. And use the exclamation mark when you want to flip a value from true to false or vice versa. In this example, your program only says yes when both conditions are met.